What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Wommack and today is the 7th of December. So once again, another day where I will be editing your pictures. Now in the past, I used to edit only one picture per video and then really show you precisely how to recreate that look. But since I'm getting so many DMs from you guys with amazing pictures, I really want to make sure to edit even more of your pictures. So today I will be showing 3 pictures in this video right here. I'm not gonna show you precisely how to edit it. I'm just gonna show you what I did, what picture I created from your picture, kind of explain my thoughts behind it a little bit, and of course, share a preset for you guys in the all presets pack to every one of these pictures. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And of course, if you want me to edit one of your pictures as well, feel free to DM it to me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation and really excited to see your picture. Now that's it for the intro. Let's start with this picture right here. Axel, you sent me this picture. Thanks so much. It's a great picture. I really love the vibe of the picture, the kind of blue mood that you brought it into. Probably had some blue lights set up for this shoot. I really like the clean backdrop, the white wall, a really basic outfit, and it overall to me looks like a almost professional shoot. So thanks so much for sharing this picture. Now this is the one you sent me right here, and this right here is what I've created from it. Now I wanted to take out the blue tones a little bit, give it more of a vintage, almost like burned out vibe, so it looks really old. And then also I added those dust and scratches and those scan lines from my free pack, which you can check out, linked under this video as well, just to give it a more characteristic, some more details to the picture and really sell that realistic vintage look. And I really love the picture. I love how it turned out. Axel, I hope you're happy with this shot right here and how I changed it up a little bit. Let me know in the comments. Once again, thanks so much for sending this picture. The rest of you guys, let me know what you think about this edit as well. And I've created a preset on exactly this look. If you want to check it out, link is under this video. It's in that all presets pack with over 100 presets that you can just easily paste to every one of your pictures to make them look great. And every time I create new presets, they're automatically in the all presets pack. So make sure to check it out. It's a great deal. Link is under this video. Now I'll move on to the next picture right now. It's this picture right here. Arsh, you sent this to me. Thanks so much. I love the vibe. It's a really moody, kind of just before the sun sets vibe, and you really professionally took the picture, in my opinion, because you really made sure that the background, in this case the sky, is not blown out. So you really took care of that lighting to really get it perfectly, and I think you really caught the right mood. I can really feel this picture and feel the kind of the summer breeze, and just reminds me of those long summer nights. So I really love the shot. Now I think the colors were almost perfect already straight out of the camera. I really loved it. I just wanted to tweak it up a little bit. So this is what you sent me right here. And now this right here is what I created from it. I just wanted to stress the contrast a little bit and just create that more teal and orange feel to it. Make the sky a little more saturated, a little more kind of aqua bluish to really enhance that tone, pull some saturation out of the rest of the image to end up with this even more moody vibe that we have here. Arsh, and of course the rest of you guys, let me know how you like this edit. Really subtle, but I think it kind of just brings out the feeling that the picture already has a little better. I really love it. Thanks again for sending it. And of course, I've created a preset on this one as well, and it's in the all presets pack along with all the presets from this tutorial, and of course many more right now. So go check it out. Link is under this video. Most of you guys already have the all presets pack, so have fun with this preset right now. Now let's go to the last of these 3 pictures today, and it is this picture right here, sent to me by you, Anocha. Thank you so much for this picture. It kind of reminds me of those sneakerhead times that I had, like waiting in front of a sneaker store for a sneaker to release or something like that. Kind of gives me the feeling as if you're in a store, because it's a really nice and really clean surrounding. I love it a lot. Could be in a hotel or something like that as well. And I really like the way you made sure of the symmetry in the picture. So there's like the plants to the left and the right. You're kind of the only thing in the picture that kind of breaks the symmetry. And I really like the whole setup. Now I just again wanted to tweak it a little bit. It is clean already. I just wanted to do some subtle changes to this. I wanted to brighten it up a little more. And now this is what you sent me right here. And this is what I've created from it. And as I said, I wanted to bring out the shadows, and then the plants on the left and right, just wanted to bring the contrast and also the saturation on them back out, that green. So we have the green white element, and then of course that orange tone of the wood and your skin, and also the window in the back. That kind of really feeds into those natural color tones, green, brown, and then the white clear background, just kind of brightening up the image and really stressing on those three colors. This is what I created from it. Once again, you guys, and of course Anocha, you let me know what you think about this edit. Again, I've created a preset of this. It's on my website. Link is under this video in the all presets pack with many more presets for you guys. So yeah, let me know if you like these kind of videos better, where I just shoot through those edits and explain you what I thought about it, or would you like me to do the old ones where I really toggle everything? And I have the feeling that I started losing you guys once we switched over to the phone screen and we kind of toggled those edits together. So yeah, let me know what you think. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And to all of you guys, thank you so much for supporting, for watching, and for sending me all of these pictures. Until the 24th, I'm gonna edit your pictures every day, so feel free to keep sending them on my Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always excited to see what you guys have for me. Thanks so much. I hope I'll see you in the next video tomorrow. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.